It's literally a joke on how much money it costs. It's gonna be like the best money you spend this year. So I'm here today and I'm getting a lot of things ready for my new marketing and sales workshop. Listen, if you're an online entrepreneur and you're scrolling now, wherever you are, you need to get on this. It's $97. It's literally a joke how much money it costs. It's gonna be the best money you spend all year, maybe next year, maybe ever. And over those 5 days, every single day, I'm gonna go through everything that has worked for me, what has worked for so many entrepreneurs that I've been able to mentor and have success with when it comes to marketing and sales. I can't give enough emphasis of the fact that if you get these 2 things in your business figured out, you do these 6 steps in order and in alignment where it works, there's consistency, it feels good, it works. I'll see you guys in the training.